Hi everyone, No Art, No Glory here. Just want to talk a little bit about the sketch exchange that is scheduled for next Sunday from 3 to 5 for up to 6 participating artists. The purpose of this event is to skill share, to get some feedback on work that you have in progress or maybe something that you finished. And really kind of a way to constructively figure out, maybe you didn't know how to make something a certain way, or you want to learn a new brush skill or a technique from your peers. So the purpose of this event is basically to kind of gain, information from your fellow creators and kind of learn about what they're making and that might influence your creations. What we're doing for the 6 artists is each person has 5 minutes to present their piece. We're going to do a walkthrough inside Multibrush and kind of hear about the background, maybe ask some questions, and then the later 5 minutes after that is going to be for feedback from the group, maybe have questions for the artist directly, and so on and so forth. It's going to be very open-ended. It's not too formal. It will be timed so we can ensure everyone has enough time to speak about their work and get feedback. And then at 4:30 to 5, at the end of the event, I'm going to invite participating artists to come collaborate together and make together. And potentially, after the event happens, maybe collaborations occur between these artists. And it is our hopes that this event is only 6 artists at this time, but we hope to grow this to 12 artists per session and also possibly do this on a monthly or a bi-monthly basis based on interest. So if you'd like to learn more information, please visit the link below in this video. And if you have any questions for me, you can contact No Art, No Glory on Instagram or also on Discord. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have, and we hope to see you there. Thanks so much.